I'm so excited about today's recipe. I think you are going to love this. Why? Because it is not only a vegetable infusion, it's really fun and so easy to make. You're never going to know that there's a vegetable in it, and it's kale. I can't wait for you to try it. If you like this, be sure to hit like and subscribe. I have so many new great recipes coming. You're not going to want to miss it. Subscribe now. Lemon pepper kale mayonnaise starts with 1 egg at room temperature. Throw it in your food processor and whip it until it's frothy. This might take a couple of minutes. Then, slowly add 1/4 cup of canola oil. Blend that together, then add the remaining 3/4 cup. This will be a full cup total. Then, we're going to add 2 cups of packed kale and 2 cloves of garlic. Put that into your food processor, and then we're going to blend it some more. When that's mixed, add 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 3/4 teaspoon salt. Add more or less salt depending on your personal preference, and then we're going to let this blend for about a minute. All right, when it's all mixed up and looking creamy, pour it out into a small jar. Now on to the lemon pepper part. 1 fresh lemon. We're going to zest off 1 teaspoon, add that to our mayonnaise. Now we take the rest of the lemon, juice it, and get 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice added to our mayonnaise. Next, 1 teaspoon of pepper. I like to use fresh ground, but use what you have. Then mix it up, and that's it. It'll last for up to a week, but mine never lasts that long. It's awesome on everything. Share in the comments how you like to enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe for new recipes every week.